Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Microsoft Access practical, and we going to discuss today. That is our objective. It's modifying how to modify a table. We're going to do that in modifying in some sort of techniques we're going to apply. There's totaling, how we're going to calculate. Then we applying sorting, and then filtering and searching the data. Before we're going to implement all these, I just wanted to let you know that what we have understood up till now, the first thing that we have learned, that is how to create the table. Then we have learned about how to insert or manage data types, and then we learned about the field properties. Now yesterday, as we have done some how to move the fields, how to arrange the fields, and some of things we have done it yesterday. Today let's start our practical. That's very simple. Let's start with the sorting filter first. Suppose there is a 10 records that you have already entered in it. Now that's a very simple procedure. If you wanted to do to calculate your data or to look at your data according to the ascending order, because this is a random data that you can see, if you wanted to do that in ascending order, click over here, or you can see this is ascending option over here. You selected that field and then click ascending order. Now look at this. This is all have been put it in the correct order, in ascending order. Look, any field you want to place and organize in ascending order, that you need to select first, and then you just need to click ascending order. Then it will automatically apply to that particular field, and along with that any other fields will definitely be organized by itself. If there is a Ali, the information of Ali is there, and you can see that's all went to in descending order, the field that we have selected. So I hope that you understand. This is not ascending. At the same time, you can do that at descending order as well. If you click, that will goes descending order, right? And this is how you can sort your data. The next one is a filtering. Filtering means that there's a lot of data, a lot of records in your database, and you wanted to see that a particular data, you wanted to look at that only specific data. Suppose I have a 10 records, and 10 records I want only to see only grade 8 students. So I will click that part and look at this. This is all data has been selected. So I uncheck select all and only click and check to grade 8 option, and I'll press OK. So you can see there's only information being displayed. It means that is grade 8 students information are there. So this is how you will apply your filtering option. Then we have searching. Then how we going to search the information? That is very simple. There is an option, if you can see, search something. If you wanted to search, you can have the find button over here. You wanted to click, and once it's clicked, you wanted to look anything. There is a look and match and search options, and there is a multiple things that you wanted to search in the current field, you wanted to search in the current document, you wanted to match particular data in any part of a field, in a whole field or a starter field or whatever. Like that's all. Up and down, or how you're going to search, it's totally up to you, the way you're going to organize it. Now, suppose I wanted to search anything which is a lot of data in there, you wanted to search anything. Suppose Wakar, I have just written down. Look at this, directly it is going to indicate that data is particularly its highlighted part. So whatever you wanted to search, it's very simple and easy. Similarly, if you have one more option we have, that is how to calculate and totaling any kind of a field which you have placed it where mathematical calculation involved. Here we don't have any particular, but suppose for example you are creating a table of a student where you are entering the student marks. Here you need to calculate the marks, so there is an option for you. Click over here. Suppose you wanted to calculate the entire marks. Just assume this is great, but you can assume that's the marks. Suppose I wanted to calculate all of it. So here you have the option of a totaling. If on the top, on the home tab, you will find this total option. Click over here and look at this automatically applied. So the entire total being calculated. here you can see that is also been automatically applied to the whole record. So it means that whatever things been calculated, you can calculate by itself, it's a sum, and you wanted to change something which you wanted to calculate in a sum or average or maximum, minimum, and whatever the formula you wanted to apply, you can do that. Suppose I wanted to do it that's average, it's calculating the average. Similarly, you wanted to do it over here, you can do that. Maximum value, the maximum value is been selected out of this entire record. I hope it's a very simple and easy method. I want you to mashallah apply it, and that is a very simple procedure. All that fields are interesting. Inshallah, I'm expecting from my all students to do that very briskly and quickly and a positive response. Thank you very much, students.